as we sit here. Oh, beautiful right to left bullet, even better catch.
Just gets the Geordie there, the 23, and he's actually running with the wind here, so it's just a great long ball, but even better finish from the winger out there.
I'll be a little bit stunned by that. Definitely not the start they would have wanted. Key set, the first set of the game. Going down 1-0, but here they are with the ball, setting things up in the middle, just short side play. Numbers on the outside.
Yeah, they've just gone for the quickie setup. Faked him on the quickie, just bounces the boy link, and just great 2-on-1.
Oh, just probably got away with a forward pass there. As we see the number 6 from Auckland. Nice platform. Set up 16, gets in through to the back of the in goal. He makes his way across the field. Big left-right pass.
Found a lot of space there. Manawatu middle's just really lost a bit of connection there. I think he was called offside, play through. And he's just found a lot of space out on that right. Good long ball.
Santiago Olds with the ball in hand now. Good dunk. Just a bit of... Oh, lovely little ball across the face. Off to Parsons, sets this nice platform. Sweeps around the back, off his left, across the face of the two Bay of Plenty defenders. Working with Trey Lush. We've seen these two out here in a previous set. Governor now looking for the quickie, steps off his left, gets under, in behind the touching defender.
Oh, he loves it. A few high fives to the crowd there from Simeon Governor. Yeah, a bit too quick there on the quickie. Just really got to try and dominate the ruck there.
Sewer, the number 2. Nothing on, 5th touch. Manawatu won't want to clock off here. Late cut down the short side. Does the 15 from Manawatu get out to him? No, he doesn't.
Yeah, we saw this try in the previous game. Just the link with the late cut with the middle. The defensive link just chasing a little bit too far in, and yeah, unfortunately getting burnt. Great play from Auckland though, heads up. 5-2.
Oh, yes, nothing really on the short left-hand side. Oh, yes, nothing really on the short left-hand side. Just digs a little bit deeper into the defence, draws the gill link in from Auckland. Nice little pop pass, as we'll see. I think this might be Paranihi Ponga, the Auckland player, from being able to go back towards the middle. Yeah, very active here on defence is the Manawatu link. Oh, as we see here, the number 8 just heads back in. We have a late cut. Couldn't quite catch his feet to get back out.
Yeah, great skill there. He's actually stepped around the link saver too. So
now with prime opportunity.
Matty, we've had 25 minutes of this game gone. Where do you think Manawatu should be attacking up against a really clinical defence like Auckland?
Yeah, Auckland's D's really good with that Mad Dog setup. They all know their roles really well. Oh, we might have a phantom here.
Yep, referee Pedersen. He's probably going to say to the player, did you make the touch?
Oh, wow.
The player obviously said that he did. What we call, I'm pretty sure he sent him to the sin bin. I'm just seeing the player running across to the sub box, however, and we see a bit of confusion from the coaches. I have no doubt if Manawatu can score here, we should really see them lift. Simeon Governor goes short side. Great option. No greed there, Matty. Set that up. It almost looked like that was his first option to go there.
Yeah, so they've kind of cracked the code a little bit there. He's gone over and got the girl on the quickie. Girl wing is just shut, and he's done really well to get those quick hands away.
Look at that, 20 metres by the number 5 from Manawatu, which has set a great platform up for this scoop as we see a late cut. Fakes the late cut, goes in behind, out to the winger. Again for the draw. Set him up. 6-all, Matty.
Yes, just a little bit of a fake cut there. What a ball out.
Look at that, 20 metres by the number 5 from Manawatu, which has set a great platform up for this scoop as we see a late cut. Fakes the late cut, goes in behind, out to the winger. Again for the draw. Set him up. 6-all, Matty.
Yes, just a little bit of a fake cut there. What a ball out to the winger.
I'm not even sure. The number 5 from Manawatu, Noswicki, he set that up, knew that he was going to do that when he scooped. Such as the eyes up touch that he played there.
You know, and that's what we've talked about. That's 2 minutes and they've scored two quick tries, and that's how quickly it can change. You've just got to be accurate through the middle.
Just like the Auckland weather can change one way, it will change back the other two. Manawatu, now that they've got back to this position, they won't want to relax. They'll need to make sure they can defend this set out. We've seen in the previous game, Waikato getting back into the lead for counties just to come straight back at them. Beautiful line run by the Auckland link. That was an exceptional line run there, Harley, from the number 3 from Auckland, Kiritia Te Reo.
And just look at the spacing that Hoskins Vaniki finds here. Gets the timing perfect on the pass. Excellent catch, right into space. Great try there from Auckland, 7-6. Miki ki runga, Manawatu ki raru I tēnei wā. Let's see how this one unfolds. Hoskins Vaniki with the last opportunity here. Still with the ball live as the hooter sounds. And Auckland seal the deal.
Māori Active.